Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you an easy method to paint a lion's mane. First, begin by lightly sketching the lion's head and the general outline of its majestic mane. This initial sketch provides a crucial guide for your painting. Next, apply a smooth, even base layer of light yellow or ochre paint across the entire mane area. This foundational color is essential, so ensure it's completely dry before moving on to the next exciting step. Patience here will truly pay off for a beautiful result. Now let's bring that mane to life by adding texture and depth. Take a slightly darker shade, perhaps a warm brown or a rich orange, and use short, deliberate brush strokes. Imagine the flow of the lion's hair and follow that direction with your brush. Don't cover the entire base layer. Instead, focus on building up layers, allowing glimpses of that initial color to peek through. This technique creates a wonderful sense of volume and realism, making your lion's mane truly stand out. To make your lion's mane truly dynamic, we'll now introduce highlights and shadows. For the highlights, choose a lighter tone, such as a pale yellow or a creamy off-white, and apply it to areas where light would naturally hit the mane. Conversely, use darker browns or a deep burnt sienna in the shadowed regions, like under the chin or deeper within the mane. Gently blend these colors together to achieve a seamless and natural transition, giving your lion's mane incredible dimension and visual interest. Finally, let's add those crucial finishing touches to perfect your lion's mane. Consider adding a few wispy, stray hairs around the outer edges. These small details significantly enhance realism. Take a moment to step back and assess the overall shape and volume. If any areas need more definition or a bit more fluff, now is the time to refine them. Make any final small adjustments to ensure your lion's mane looks magnificent and truly captures its wild spirit. You've done a fantastic job.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.